skateboards.
Oh!
All right, guys, we are here today with the world's best RC car driver, Mr. Nigel Ryan Jones.
I can do it all. Who knew?
For the record, he did not claim to be the best, but we got sent to us straight from Traxxas these two beautiful RC cars, and we are about to break them. We're gonna do RC car versus the skate park. We're gonna start out mellow and increasingly get more and more close to breaking them. He doesn't want it. We're gonna start out nice and easy, and then we're gonna end the video with a contest where you decide who wins.
I got my money on Nigel.
Versus Nigel Ryan Jones.
So I've gotten to bond over this for the past couple weeks, and then I already knew when he got here, they're getting destroyed, and I truly want to cry.
They're not getting destroyed. Just gotta land it. Ready?
Ow! Just broke my
Get the
toe.
party started! Woo! All right, do a trick, and then I'll go after you. Okay. Okay. You missed the transfer though, didn't you?
A little rusty, huh, Jones?
Oh no! Oh no!
Aaron!
Dave, I literally wall rid the roof.
Dude.
Did you totally miss what just happened? All right, Nigel, give me a trick. And then I'm gonna match and or better that trick.
All right.
Oh, here we go.
Are you ready for my trick?
Yeah.
We're gonna air up, blunt to fakie, and then air back into the ramp.
Air up, blunt to fakie, air back into the ramp. Okay. Now it looks like it's my turn. You know what we should do is play a game of RC car. Look who's the master now.
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed.
Right speed again.
Oh.
Aaron, how much for you to let Nigel air over you?
Okay, you ready? You ready, Cruz?
Yeah.
Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, up.
Oh.
Oh, boy. Oh! Kickflip out!
No!
Kickflip out!
Watching them skate a bit, I understand what we have to do. Go to the vert ramp, build like an extension, then go and then it goes boom.
Loop?
And then it goes
Loop?
into the other side, yeah.
Dude, you think that's possible? What if we just
Destroyed
got
glass.
like a thin piece of plywood and held and like bent it over the edge of the vert ramp, and then you go all the way up and then around and it loops over? That's
100%, yeah.
Let's do it. Oh! Oh!
Tell me I'm not the greatest there ever was!
All right, send it up to Braille drop, Dan. You got it. You're gonna go over the gate?
Yeah.
No way. Oh!
Dang it!
What happened?
Dang, I told you I shouldn't have done that. It's got a man down.
It's an easy fix.
You can get the RC car to jump off the mini ramp into the Christmas tree hole. You win $10,000.
You gonna pay me $10,000?
No, Braille is.
Oh, okay.
We gotta shake on it. Then we make it happen. It's not. We got nothing to lose. Just shake on it. Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah. Oh, boy!
That was RC, really cool.
You just do your thing, don't mind me. I didn't actually mean to do that. sorry.
What kind of driving is this? Man, Fast and Furious, but Glow is getting furious. We have a head-on collision.
Oh, boy! That was Ken Block in the house.
All right, shall we start this race?
Ow! Holy! Ah, that hurts so bad.
Should we start this race?
Yeah, tell me where it starts.
All right, so
Run me through the track. Okay, so it starts up there.
and there's cones everywhere. So you go down, curve to the right, and then you drift on the hip, right?
Yeah.
And then you come up here onto this platform.
Yeah.
Drift around this corner, through here, through there, stay on the left side of the rail.
Yeah.
And then, as you can see, there's cones on the bank, so you're gonna drift up the bank and around,
Okay.
back this way, and then down the 3 stairs to finish line.
And it's just one lap?
It's just one lap.
Okay, let me just drive this course nice and slow.
Whoa, 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 no, no.
To show the
No,
studio
we
audience.
got someone trying to practice here. You guys go at the same time.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Hey, this guy's cheating over here. All right. Nigel Jones, are you ready?
I guess.
Any pre-game, pre-race words you'd like to say?
Look at the stance on his is so much better than the front.
But you got more skills.
I know. It's okay though. Let's go.
All right. And Aaron, do you have anything you'd like to say about your impending loss? I mean, about this race.
First try!
All right. And 3, 2, whoa! 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 I said 3!
I thought you said go. I'm sorry. I'm ready.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
What, Gabe? Winner!
That was just dirty.
That was the most anticlimactic race I've ever seen.
That was dirty.
He
All
bodied right at the beginning and I just slowly drove the course.
We're doing time trials.
This whole thing's broken. I got a whole bottom bracket missing.
Oh.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's so good.
Dang it.
Because I won the doubles match, I'm giving it to Nigel to go first on the time trials. Derek's gonna fall.
Yeah, Derek! Never give up!
Wow, that's actually good. Wow, this boy can move.
Oh!
Man down!
Time! 25-5. Near
Yeah,
perfect
I know.
run.
I know.
I'm not gonna lie, I
I gotta
think
get my
even with
spot.
that minor mishap, I think you might still win.
Man.
Because the first half was just so excellently executed. No pressure. Oh!
Mother!
Hey, he's off course.
Let me get to my
Let's
spot now.
do one more, because those were both terrible.
Spot now.
Terrible, I slayed that.
Man, I need you to lock
I
in.
made that whole thing
Come on,
in
you
30
saw
seconds.
that corner the whole time.
Okay, hold on, let me move that fan.
Whoa.
Okay, I'll leave the fan.
Play
You're
it
right,
as
you're
live.
right. Hold on. Right there. Dang, this boy can move.
Wow! Wow! 18.85.
All right.
Can Aaron match it? Can he even come close?
See? Hold up.
Wait.
What broke? Oh, dang it. How does that thing come out?
All right, Rick, you ready? On your call.
Time!
We will never be able to enjoy nice things here. If you have nice things, don't send it, because you'll crush a little man's heart. Whose heart is that? My heart.
I didn't put that rail there. Who put the rail there? I shouldn't have said at the beginning that we're going to break it. The plan is not to break it. So we're going to try and launch it all the way around.
Yeah.
Like down, up, and then all the way back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100% that will work. Right?
I think so.
These aren't built for that. But we'll see what happens.
Oh yeah, those lights though.
No, we're good, dude. You're not gonna break a light.
Shut up.
You're not. It's safe.
100%.
Dude, I mean, I've been doing this a long time, dude. I've been wrong a few times, but I'm not wrong this time.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah. We just have to navigate the cross beams, the wind speed, the light speed, and the,
And oh, don't forget the most important calculation. The momentum.
You had to say it. We were totally fine until you said that.
It'll lose all its momentum by the time it hits the wall.
Yeah, Rick. I think you might need to push it a little more that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
like
looks good,
that's
though.
the angle right
That's
there.
it.
That's
Okay.
the perfect angle.
Baba booey. Yeah. Okay. We're finally onto something. We're making history here today.
What happened?
You broke the swing arm.
Can it drive straight?
Oh, we have those parts?
Yeah, they're in there.
It's about to break more, yeah.
Win in Rome.
We're in the Bay Area, man. Nigel, I've never had more faith in you than this moment.
Okay, so let me explain this grand idea. We're gonna drive the RC car up one side, it's gonna hit the ramp on top, do a full circle, and land on this side of the vert ramp. If you've never seen anything that cool, you're gonna see it right this second.
I feel like people don't know how big this vert ramp is until Ricky's all the way in the far corner and he looks like a little ant on it.
And we're gonna try to narrowly avoid the beams and the lights. Please don't hit a light, and thank you.
Rick is doing his best man ramp impression. Oh, that's good trajectory. I could see it from right here.
That's good, full
Look,
speed.
that's good trajectory.
Yep, it's perfect.
The trajectory right to
Yeah.
break a light before it runs out of momentum. How's it look? How's it look?
Looks like it's gonna hit that light.
Let's go.
We got this!
That was pretty good.
I think you need a warm up. Clean up aisle 5.
Oh, is that oiling the vert ramp?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like I said, buddy, these aren't meant for that.
Oh.
But look at this. We got replacement
Man.
parts. We're good.
The suspension is killing me.
See that? See what he did there? It just needed a little more juice.
I mean, I feel like it was actually gonna work.
Yeah, it's gonna work. We're gonna make this happen. If this takes the rest of our lives.
Look.
All right, Derek.
Absolutely caught in 4K.
Yeah, you small boy.
Oh, God.
The suspension is so loud.
Yeah, that's good.
This one definitely seems more powerful. Oh, look alive, Aaron.
Why even skateboard?
Oh. Why skate when you could RC?
Yeah, this is our new full-time gig.
All right, baby. I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. She's gonna be fine. You're gonna land it.
Yeah, first try.
Second try!
It didn't land though.
Let's go!
It didn't land though.
It's gotta land.
We gotta land it.
We gotta land it 100%.
Dang, Glow.
My curl forming right now.
So it basically like went when it needs to go even a little more. So do we need Ricky to be more out on the trajectory? Maybe.
Slightly, but not so that you hit the beam.
Look at this, Cruz. He's even got the Traxxas pad. This right here is for fixing your RC car. Do the transfer.
Way wrong time.
Wow, that really. There's got to be a way to make those stick in there better.
You know what I love about moments like those?
What?
It's just complete chaos and destruction, but it's the moments of silence in between. It's the and then the flying, and it's just dead silent. And then hit, boom, then silence. And then boom, hit the
we're
ground.
just waiting for it. Body.
I filmed that too good.
Yeah, so good.
I'm gonna go cry in the car now.
Don't worry, we can replace all of this.
I'm gonna go cry.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Huge thanks to Traxxas for sending us out these cars. They were super, super rad. We hope you watching this video are gonna go out and get a skateboard and learn how to ride it. Let's go.